Everyone, this is Vandana and you are watching 99.9 Engineering Station. So student, today we are going to do one word type questions of mass transfer subject. So you all try to do with me. This subject is very useful for the chemical, mechanical and civil engineering student, and as you know that this subject is very important for the exam like GATE, IPAT and PSUs. So without wasting a time, let's get started. The first question for the lecture is that about the diffusivity, and the question is diffusivity of the gas vary with temperature and pressure according to the relation. So you have to give the relation between the diffusivity, temperature and pressure. So the answer is D is directly proportional to T to power 1.5 upon P. So before, one more thing is here is that you have to know about the diffusibility. So diffusibility and mass diffusibility is already discussed in my previous lecture, which is based upon the Fick's law. So I again explain here that the diffusibility is proportionality constants between molar flux due to molecular diffusion and the gradient in the concentration of the species. So diffusibility is encountered in the Fick's law. So you have to go through it. Next question is about the diffusibility of the liquid can be estimated by, you have to tell the, in this question you have to tell the name of the equation and the equation formula. So the liquid diffusibility of the liquid can be estimated by the Wilke-Chang equation, and the equation is DAB mu B upon T is equal to 7.4 into 10 to power minus 8 5B mB to power 1 by 2 upon VA to power 0.6. So this is the Wilke-Chang equations. Now come to the next question, that is diffusibility of liquid varies with temperature according to the relation that it is directly proportional, diffusibility directly proportional to the temperature. Next question is about the dimensionless number, and Schmidt number is the dimensionless number for the mass transfer, and it is defined from the molecular diffusibility to the mass diffusibility. It is the ratio of momentum diffusibility to the mass diffusibility. Next question is about Stanton number. It is also a dimensionless number for the mass transfer, is defined as the Sherwood number upon multiplication of the Reynolds and Schmidt number. Next question is the ratio of the mass flux for diffusion of A through non-diffusing B to the mass flux for equimolar counter diffusion is always greater than the 1. Next question is about Schmidt number for the gas is the order of, you have to tell the order of the gases is 1. Next question is Schmidt number for the liquid is of the order of 1000. According to the next is according to the film theory, the mass transfer coefficient is proportional to the D, that is diffusibility. The Knudsen diffusibility is depend on, so first you have to know about the Knudsen diffusibility. It is mean by the diffusion that occurs when the scale length of the system is comparable to the or smaller than the mean free path of the particles involved. So that's Knudsen diffusibility is depend upon the molecular velocity and the pore radius of the catalyst. Next is the permeability, or is defined as the it is the multiplication of the solubility and diffusibility. Next is this relation is for what type of analogy. So the relation is ST is equal to Stanton number is equal to F by 2. This relation is for the Reynolds analogy. So next question is about the absorption factor. So you have to define the absorption factor formula, that is L by mg. Next question is the number of transfer unit used. Transfer unit give us the idea of the diffusibility of the separation. जो हमारे पास ट्रांसफर यूनिट है, नंबर ऑफ ट्रांसफर यूनिट है, वो हमें diffusibility of separation का idea देते हैं. Lewis number is also a dimensionless number, and it is given by Le is equal to Schmidt upon Prandtl number. Okay, next question is adiabatic saturation line and the wet bulb temperature line are the same for the air water system. Next and the last question is Raoult's law is applicable to ideal solution. So that's it for today's lesson. This is all about the some important one-liner questions or for the mass transfer. So I hope you like it, and please share this video to the maximum and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.